What's up, guys? Welcome to this last section of how to grow your Instagram account, and now we're getting to the fun stuff of how to make money with Instagram. Okay, so now that we understand how to grow an Instagram account organically, how to optimize your profile, how to grow with stim, all the different hacks that I was showing you, now that's going to help you make money on Instagram. So if you guys aren't doing the steps that I just taught you with how to grow it, there's no possible way you guys are going to make money. So please make sure that you guys are doing each of the little techniques and tips that I showed you guys in the previous videos, because that's what's going to lead you guys to turn your followers into paying customers. So in this video, I'm just going to go over 3 ways to make money on Instagram, and then in the later videos, I'm going to actually dive into depth about each one. Okay, so the first one is affiliate marketing. The second one, we're going to be talking about Instagram shoutouts and Instagram influencers. And then the third one is you guys have your own business. You guys are promoting a product or service. So let's talk about the first one, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an awesome way to basically generate a passive income once you get things up and running. So what affiliate marketing consists of is you partner up with a company and you get a unique affiliate link. And with this affiliate link, you promote it on your Instagram account or on your blog or on your YouTube channel or whatever. And as soon as someone clicks on that affiliate link, they click on it, they make a purchase, you will then get a commission. So the perfect example of this is with Amazon Associates. So this is an affiliate marketing program where you guys can partner up with Amazon and basically promote any product or service that they have on Amazon.com. So if you guys love a camera, if you guys love this drone, or if you love this computer, or you guys, for example, in my case, I have a dog Instagram account that loves dog toys. So I'm going to basically promote Amazon products on my dog's Instagram account. So I search on Amazon Associates, I find a dog toy that I have purchased or that I like, and then I go on my dog's account and I say, hey, check out this new toy that my dog got. She really likes it. Swipe up to purchase on Amazon, or click link in bio to purchase. And as soon as someone goes and clicks that link in my Instagram bio and they purchase, I get a small commission off of that. So that's a perfect example of affiliate marketing, and I will show you guys some other affiliate marketing opportunities that have some really high payouts and that are really easy to basically promote on any account. So that's the first one, affiliate marketing. The next one is Instagram shoutouts. So if you guys grow your Instagram account big enough, you guys can charge for shoutouts. So kind of like my giveaway account, I don't know if you guys remember this, but I have what's called a giveaway account, and so people basically pay me to post different giveaways, so different shoutouts. So I basically am the one that basically brings in the attraction to enter the giveaway. They have to follow their account, they follow my account, they tag a friend to enter to win, and then at the end of the week, we pick a winner. And so I get paid to basically post on Instagram because I built up a following and I built up an audience that are interested in giveaways and free products. So that's just an example of basically doing shoutouts, and there's a bunch of other ways where you can basically partner up with other companies that are trying to promote your service, and they just charge you $200 or $10 or $20 to post one picture on your Instagram account to basically drive traffic to their Instagram account. So that's the second way. The third way is if you guys have a product or service. So if you guys are selling on Amazon, if you guys have a drop shipping store, if you guys have a training course or program, or you guys are a fitness coach or whatever it may be, you have a product or service, then this is another way, because as soon as you guys are growing followers, those are potential customers, and so you guys can reach out to them. You can use that auto DM with stim, where you basically reach out to them, you include a link in that auto DM, or you basically strike up a conversation, and then they reach out back to you, and that's a potential customer that can lead into paying customers. Okay, so same thing applies if you guys have a drop shipping store, you are promoting this product, you can go in, create an Instagram account around this product or multiple products that you are selling, and each follower that you guys have is a potential buying customer instead of spending money on Facebook ads or Instagram ads or influencer marketing. So those are 3 simple ways of how to make money on Instagram. So now in the next video, I'm going to basically dive into the different affiliate marketing opportunities, and also how we're going to basically monetize and make some money on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.